This Tuff-Lite weighs 2.5 ounces. It can cut all kinds of stuff. It's a very, very popular cold steel knife used for utility tasks. But in a pinch, it makes tremendous cuts. You can use it for self-defense in an emergency, and look at the length of that cut. Wow. Starts up here and it goes in 1 inch, then I go all the way through the beef brisket for more than 12 inches and exit here, and there's only a little bit left, and I would have severed that entire piece of beef brisket with a 2.5 ounce knife that costs $50 retail. Talk about value and performance. There's only one choice: cold steel.
This is OsoGrandeKnives TV, where you can watch, decide, and equip. When the situation demands a knife, OsoGrandeKnives.com is your quality connection. We've got unbeatable low prices on thousands of knives and super fast shipping, all with world-class customer service. Thanks for your support.